Hello, and welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna. I am Dr. Jill. You know, sometimes we feel glad, and sometimes we feel sad. Other times we feel mad. Right now, how do you feel? That is our question for today. How do you feel? How do you feel? Now, let's go to Anna's treehouse. She helps us answer this question.
Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my treehouse. I have a pet cat.
Cat. Cat?
No cat. No cat.
Anna, I have the question from the teacher.
Thanks, Max. How do I feel? How do I feel? I feel sad. I feel sad.
Cat. 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 Oh, cat.
Cat. I feel glad. Cat. Ow! Ow! Now I feel mad. Ow!
Cat.
Anna has one pet, a pet cat. How many pets do you see in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pets. Anna's cat makes her sad, glad, mad. Now, let's meet some other friends. They answer the question, how do you feel?
I'm sad.
And I am happy.
I feel glad.
Now, let's play a game. Who feels glad? Listen to our friends again.
I'm sad. I feel glad.
And I am happy.
Who feels glad? That is right. Anna feels glad. Now we go back to Anna. She helps us with these words: sad, mad, glad.
Listen. What sound is in each word? Sad, mad, glad. Right. Add. A-d, add. S, add, sad. Add, mad. Gla, add, glad. Do you know what makes me glad? A walk. Let's go. People have pets. The people are happy. The pets are happy. Oh, I am happy. I feel glad. Oh no. Where is my cat? Now I feel sad. Let's find this cat. Cat! Cat!
Shh. The cat. The cat. No. Oh. Now I am mad.
Oh, good. Anna has the pet cat. And she feels glad. Now it is your turn. How do you feel? See you next time on Let's Learn English with Anna.
Goodbye. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.
Max. I feel sad. I feel mad. I feel glad.